is this? It looks like a cookie, but weird.
It's so sweet, I like it.
Ted, you're rushing things. We need to take cards first.
All right, whatever you say. Just don't hit me again.
Well, I have to cut out the cookie with no hands.
You're a loser. We were lucky.
You're so mean. Never mind, I can handle it anyways. Looks like we'll have to hurry. No time to lose. It's a good thing I have two hands, so I'll be faster.
That's for sure. I can't do this with one hand. Maybe I'll try to chew around the extra parts? I won't give up that easy, Susie. By the way, it's really tasty.
But what am I supposed to do without my hands? Looks like there's only one way out. I'll have to use my forehead. That hurts. But it works. Cool. I have every chance of winning. Looks like Lucy will stop at nothing. I really have to try to make it in time. Oh no! My cookie's broken! Oh, what's this? I don't like it. That's enough. Even two hands didn't save me this time. I'm a loser.
I wouldn't want to end up like Susie. Lucy, let's get down to business right away.
Well, I also lost.
There's no need to hurry. It's about to start. I'll cover my head.
I'm so wet. This feels terrible.
It's just me. I can't give up. Otherwise, this is gonna end badly.
Well, time's up.
Wow, I made it! What a victory!
That's not fair. You got lucky.
Why are you so angry? Stop! Stop it!
French fries and sauce. Super.
We can finally eat properly. This card is mine.
2 hands. Cool. I'm glad I got this card.
I have one. That's not bad either.
And I was the most unlucky.
I suggest we start.
I'm ready now. I can't wait to try these fries. Oh no, what do I see? Chili sauce. This could end badly.
I knew there was a catch somewhere.
I hate spicy food. I'm really sensitive to it. So far, everything's fine.
Actually, your mouth is smoking.
And now my ears. This isn't the best feeling. That's better. To be honest, you don't look very good. I'm afraid to imagine what'll happen to us.
Maybe it's not so bad, Susie. I'm ready to try the sauce.
You just can't put too much on.
That's it. I think that's quite enough.
Did you think I was gonna let you off lightly? No way. You need more sauce.
Enjoy your meal. And it all started off so well. But you ruined my food, Susie. I'm sure my head's gonna explode after this. Well, it can't be helped. Just wish me luck.
I can imagine how disgusting that is.
Well, I'm getting hot. Oh no! Now there's gonna be a fire! Help, I'm burning!
Ted, how are you?
I burned my hand!
What a nice breeze, don't stop. Although that's already too much. You're gonna ruin my hair. Ted, that's enough.
Okay, I feel better.
What are you thinking?
It's your turn.
Can't argue with that. As much as I'm not gonna like this, it's time to do it.
How do you feel?
Very tasty, I like the French fries.
Yeah, but you completely forgot about the sauce. Come on, add it.
Thanks for reminding me. And everything started off so well. Why spoil everything?
Let me help you, Susie. You don't have to thank me.
Yeah! I wasn't going to. It's so hot! Save me! Wow, how beautiful. A real fireworks show. You need to wear glasses. That fire's blinding. Why are you just sitting around doing nothing?
Look over there, Susie.
Wow. I think I burned a hole in the ceiling.
But what a nice view. Oh, what's that? Oh, gross. Stupid birds.
That's for luck.
Not funny. Wow, black gum. Never seen anything like it. Let's open the cards now. I wish I was lucky. Oh yeah! The universe heard me!
Well, I just have one hand. Not too bad. Why isn't life fair? I don't want to eat without hands.
Oh, come on. One way or the other, each of us gets their own chewing gum. However, it's much easier for me to eat it than you. Wow, this is so good. And the smell drives you crazy. It's time to eat something delicious. Wow, I really like it. But there's still quite a lot left. I want it all at once.
Ted, you're acting like you've never chewed gum.
I just know how to enjoy myself. Don't be such a prude. Look at this bubble I'm gonna blow.
Oh, that's really interesting. I'm gonna burst it.
What a stupid joke. I'm not talking to you. I have to teach Lucy a lesson for her behavior.
Don't get mad, Ted.
Well, I'm not mad anymore.
What have you done? I can't move my arm. Ugh, this gum is all in your drool. Disgusting.
I just decided to make a little joke, like you did to me.
I think I've lost my appetite. How am I supposed to open my gum now? I don't even have my one hand. Help, I'm stuck.
Oh, that's kinda awkward.
Well, thanks, Ted. I'll remember this.
We completely forgot about Susie. It's her turn to try.
I'm afraid this won't be easy. The chewing gum keeps slipping away from me. How do I open it?
Try harder. You should be able to do it.
Oh no! I dropped it in the trash. What should I do now? I'll have to hold my breath and try to get it out.
Be careful, Susie. All that garbage is flying right at us.
Help! I can't see anything.
Wow, she got the trash can on her head. That's a turn of events. Hey, Susie, follow the sound. We're here. Down here, sit down.
I managed to get my gum out.
And a lot of garbage with it.
So what? It was worth it. This is delicious.
Look, it's Fanta. What a big bottle. Super.
Don't forget about the cards. Let's see what I have. Finally, 2 hands. I've been waiting for this. I have one again. This is becoming like a tradition.
So I'll have to drink Fanta without hands?
What?
That's bad news. I don't think it's easy.
Hide your hands, Ted. Those are the rules.
Well, there's no point in arguing with you.
You're right. It's time to try some yummy food. Turns out that opening the lid with 2 hands is very easy. And holding the bottle is even easier. What a good taste. I love it. I don't want to stop. I'm ready to drink every last drop. I love Fanta. Well, I finally quenched my thirst. Oh, I think the bottle's stuck to my lips.
Wow, that's hilarious.
Don't laugh, Ted. Susie, let me help you. Thank you, Lucy. You're a true friend. Oh, my lips hurt now. I can't touch them. I told you don't laugh. It's not nice. Well, it's my time to freshen up. I hope I can open the bottle with one hand. Wow, that's not easy. I know if you hit the neck on the table, it can work. This life hack's not working. Wow, I think I went too hard.
Oh no, there's gonna be an explosion!
I'm scared! What have you done, Lucy? Sorry, I just wanted to open the bottle. Well, all the soda spilled out. I have nothing left. That's not fair.
You're getting us all wet. Sorry, but we can't change anything. Good thing my bottle's still full. Now I just need to figure out how to open it. I'll try it with my teeth. They're pretty strong. Yeah, it worked! Now I can drink.
How did you do that? That's unbelievable.
I'm capable of anything when it comes to sweet treats.
Honestly, that looks disgusting.
I agree with you, Susie. You're just jealous of me. Look, I almost drank everything. That wasn't difficult at all.
Yeah!
I'm waiting. Wow, ice cream. I'm shocked.
Awesome!
I can see that you like it.
Yeah, we want to start now.
Hold this. Slow, too bad.
I am fast.
Medium, we can start.
Here we go!
I'll start.
Good luck, Monica. Maybe you could hurry a little bit. Oh no, this'll never end. Give me the spoon. It's stuck. Give me here. It worked. Whoa, this is one big ice cream.
Yeah.
Tasty, but cold. Zach, you're all blue. No, Susie, I'm all right.
It doesn't look like I made a mistake. I know how to warm up Jack. I have a heater.
That's dangerous, Monica.
You almost burned up everything.
Oh no.
I have a better idea.
Yeah.
A hairdryer. Not a bad idea, Susie.
Thanks, you saved me.
Cool.
That's enough ice cream for today. I don't need this either.
Now it's my turn. And I'll make a cone.
Yeah.
Cool.
We'll see how this turns out. Looks pretty. Add a few more scoops. Wow, a masterpiece.
Wow.
There's still ice cream left. I need to use it all. This is the biggest ice cream cone in the world. I did a good job. Time to see how it tastes. I want to lick this scoop and this scoop. And this one. Oh no. It's falling. Too bad, Susie.
Monica, it's just you left.
This isn't even ice cream. I know, it melted, and now it's a milkshake.
Careful, Monica.
That was really tasty.
That's Nutella. We got lucky.
Awesome.
Don't rush, Zach. Look at the cards. Well, I got slow again. And I got medium.
Fast, cool. Why wait? I'm ready to start. Goodbye, lid. There's still a top here. I'll poke through this in 2 counts. That looks delicious. How chocolatey. 2 fingers are better than 1. So much Nutella.
Cool.
Super. Delicious. Using 3 fingers. It's a chocolate bomb.
Ew, that looks disgusting.
Ew.
Who cares? At least it's really tasty. I almost forgot. I have a second hand. I could use it.
Stop, that is gross.
I still have a little left.
I hope you'll be done soon.
Well, looks like the jar is empty. Good thing I still have some chocolate on my fingers.
Hey, you.
Faster, Zach.
Hey.
It's my turn.
Finally, I can start. Watch and learn how to really eat. Where's the spoon? But I don't need that. Cool. I want more.
And me too.
I don't know where the Nutella is.
You're better off not knowing, Susie. going on? I think I understand. This is Zach's doing. I'll teach him. My head! That's what you get. This is my Nutella. Now you, Monica. Exactly. I totally forgot. I'll start slow. I don't need to rush.
What the?
Let me help speed up the process. How fast? Thank you, Zach. I'm going crazy. I can't just watch this calmly. Come here.
Well,
Thank you, Zach. How pretty. Come on already, eat faster. It really is tasty. I'm sick of this. Let's leave. I can't pull myself away. What a nice flavor. Hi, Monica. How are you? Eating my chocolate. I still have a whole jar. Cool. Nothing has changed in all these years. A whole jar of Skittles? It's a dream.
Awesome!
It's hot in here. You need to hurry. This is my card. And I have slow. No. Fast. Cool. Medium. Not bad.
Okay.
Let's start.
Here we go.
I can be first. Now I'll pick a candy.
Oh.
This is gonna be a while. Zach, can you hurry up? Of course, Susie. I'm already holding the first candy. I can't stand this. I also want Skittles. Whoa, Monica, you ate that candy fast.
Yeah.
Susie, join in. With pleasure. I'm starting. First, I'll separate by color. So pretty. Look, Zach.
Oh.
Whatever. I don't need to rush. I'll start with yellow. Whoa, now my tongue is yellow. Funny.
Yeah.
Next up is green candy. A green tongue. It worked. Now orange candy. Red and purple are left. I did it. Cool. I'm happy for you. I'm ready to continue. Hey, where's my candy? Fine, try some more. The second one got lost too. Monica, let me help you. Thank you, Susie. I'm really grateful. Open your mouth. Oops, it missed. One more. Oops. Come here, candy.
Oh.
Susie, you keep missing. I'm sick of this. Do it all at once. Well? Thanks. It worked. Zach, how's it going? Let's press it. Tasty. I suggest we speed this up. Let's go. That was a great idea, Susie. Hey, what have you done? That was my candy. Susie, hurry up. Time to bring this to an end. Fine, we ate enough. You wanted to trick me. It didn't work. No.
What?
This is all your fault. Sorry, we couldn't stop ourselves. You jerks.
Whoa, wait a second. What giant dish do we have here? Now that's the biggest burger I've ever seen. Emma is ready to pounce on hers. It's to die for delicious, and it's really woken up her appetite. Need some ketchup though. While Lily kindly tries to help her friend out, Emma has come up with a little prank. Why not put a placemat that looks like cheese on her burger? Oh, this is gonna be funny. Ooh, she fell for it. Little Miss Pretty in Pink underestimated her strength, and the burger was pulled to pieces. This is gonna take a minute to clean up. A sucker. Not bad, sure, but a bit on the small side. Whilst our ebony contestant has a real piece of treasure, just what all those with a massive sweet tooth dream of. Emma isn't planning on sharing, and Lily isn't going to get on her knees and beg. She'll just enjoy her mini portion as much as possible. The flavor is supersized, so Lily is pretty happy all the same. I wonder how Emma plans on tackling that boulder of a sucker. Oh boy, please tell me she's got a plan. This round is gonna take all friggin' day at this rate. Boring. Or not. Emma's bringing in the big guns and the power tools for this. Good thinking. Whoa. Now that's what I call innovation. Although… Hold it. What in the heck is that smell? Uh-oh. Is her tongue okay? Ooh, that must hurt. Lily, save your friend and hurry. One bucket of water later, and Emma's tongue has cooled down. Yeah, sometimes speed isn't the best. Hold the phone. We did not order any cacti. Those aren't even edible, and they're horribly prickly. This calls for some creativity again. Good thing Emma is such a quick thinker. Without the spines, this plant looks much better. Ooh, but it still tastes god-awful. Aha! Lily has come up with an even better method. She looks perfectly refreshed. Moving right along, gum is about 1,000 times better than a cactus. Everybody loves this stuff. These two being no exception. Emma has already popped her first roll open and gets right down to business. We all know what comes next. This is a serious bubble she's got going. Well, it was until it caught Lily's eye, and boom! Emma looks a bit like a monster now. All right, Lily, show us what you got. Classic pink bubblegum, the best! Emma hasn't forgotten what was done to her bubble, and she's got an evil revenge plan brewing. While Lily is busy chewing, Emma is waiting for her to get to her grand finale. Whoa, that's not something you see every day. Have a nice trip, Lily. See you around. Pucker up, ladies. Check out that pout. Think Emma has dreamt of bigger lips? I'm not sure she'd want them this size. These are also wonderfully tasty, however. Finger-licking good. Wow, and they've got a surprise syrup filling to them, too. I can just imagine how good that is. There seem to be consequences that come along with this treat, though. Nice stash, Emma. Actually, it's not a bad look on her. What do you think? Lily is highly amused, but Emma doesn't like being the butt of a joke. Don't be upset, hun. In her anger, she attacks the only person sitting next to her. Anything to take the focus off her. Emma even goes so far as to drip Lily's syrup all over her head. How rude. And super sticky. Now the tables are turned, and Emma's happy again. Macaroons? Ooh, I am so jealous right now. They look so appetizing. As you can tell, Lily is a big fan of these light and crunchy cookies. She could eat 100 of them. But that won't stop her from messing with Emma, who falls for every trick, every time. Closing your eyes is a rookie mistake. Ooh, Lily almost got caught. Here it comes. That pepper is going to catch up with her any moment now. Whoop, I called it. Here comes the burn. All's fair in love and challenges, Emma. It's the name of the game. Wow, now this is something unusual. Let's solve this mystery together. All right, it looks like some sort of gummy sheet, but what is it? Emma's going to see what's in the bags they got. This is going to be something else. That is a massive packet of Pop Rocks. So I guess the plan is to sprinkle them on and roll up the sheet? Cool. Now that's an explosion. Funny and yummy. Lily is ready to repeat her friend's performance, but Emma won't let things go smoothly for her. A little more than Lily wanted. Oops. Lily, you might want to brush some of that off. Too much power isn't a good idea. Ooh, thank goodness her face is still in one piece. Whew, that was a close one. Emma, that joke really went too far. Let's be more careful next time. Wow! The games continue, and our lovely ladies have their next serving. Pretty interesting bottles. Kids can only dream about being given a bottle full of sweet candy flavors like that, though something tells me drinking out of that bottle won't be particularly nice. Ooh, Lily isn't gonna stand for Emma's teasing anymore. She grabs her bottle and uses it as a sugary squirt gun against Emma. Let's all cool down, you guys. Last but not least, two-tone cola. Pink, that sure is new. But Lily isn't interested in trying it out. She wants to get a sip of the classic stuff. Again, Emma ends up getting soaked. That was the very last straw. Emma is using a tried and true distraction tactic here. And just desserts are served tall.
What a small Fanta. What am I supposed to do with this? It's the size of my finger. Wow! I've got this huge Fanta. Whippy! You better see what I got. Woohoo! I'm so glad. Wow, Zach was so lucky. Well, you know what? I'm gonna enjoy this. Let me take care of my Fanta. Ooh! Jelly came out of it. I can't wait to taste it. What a treat. Oh! I think I accidentally swallowed the bottle. Good job, Monica. Looks like you drank it all.
Well, now it's my turn. I love Fanta. Oh, this is so delicious. Yum! Oh, there's still a little bit left at the bottom. I want to drink everything. Everything down to the last drop. I think my tongue is stuck. Oh no! Zach, I need some help.
Well, okay. Give me that bottle. I pulled it. Whoa!
Hey, what are you doing? Get off me. Ouch! Zach, what are you doing? That hurts.
Oops, sorry, Wendy.
You better take care of your Fanta, Zach.
Oh yeah, I'll be glad to. Where do I start? Let me try squeezing this bottle. Like this. Doesn't seem to be working.
Poor Zach. He can't even try his Fanta.
Laugh all you want. Hey, stop. I have an idea. Let's take the bottle and tilt it. Like this.
Whoa! The jelly's just pouring out. I'll grab some before Zach sees.
Just a little bit more. Come on, almost. One powerful punch.
Yum! Ah!
Great, it worked. Oh, Wendy. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Well, now it's time to eat. How delicious. You want to try it?
Ugh, I'm covered in sticky orange goo. These guys are ridiculous. Baskin-Robbins ice cream? But why is it so small?
I love ice cream. Yeah, even strawberry. Oh, check out Monica's.
This is my ice cream bucket.
Ooh, it's cold. Be careful, Monica. Now, Wendy, eat your mini ice cream.
All right, fine. I'm gonna start eating. Really tasty. Why can't I scoop anything else out with this spoon? What to do? Ah, an idea! I'll just flip it over. What a rich taste. Just delicious.
Whoa, she makes it look so yummy.
Oh no, it's all over. It's over so fast.
Well, what can you do? But now it's my turn. All right, let's take the spoon in. Oh, it's stuck. Whoa! I pulled that ice cream out all at once. Let's start eating. Delicious.
He makes that ice cream look so yummy. I just want to take a small lick. I have an idea.
That's weird. I feel like someone's behind me. And that someone is stealing my ice cream. Got you, Wendy.
I'm sorry, Zach. I just really wanted some ice cream.
Don't you dare steal my ice cream, okay? So much for you. All right, let me continue.
I can only watch now.
All right, that's everything. All ready. Come on, now you, Monica.
Huh? What a mini spoon. All right. The main thing is that I have a huge tub of ice cream. It's so delicious.
Whoa, check out how quick she's eating all that.
Whoa, this is getting a little hard for me. And it's so cold. I think I'll just lick the inside of the bucket.
Huh? What's she doing? I think we should help her. Come on.
Thank you, Zach. It was almost completely frozen.
Whoa! Looks like Monica turned into an ice statue.
Wow. So pretty.
Whoa! Why is my horse so small?
Oh, how cute! I can't wait to hit it.
All right, well, there's nothing to do. I guess I'll start. Let me put on the blindfold and… let's go!
Zach, you're not doing so well.
Hey! What's that? The stick is too small. I'll just have to rip the horse off. Yeah, like that. And inside, there's some of my favorite yummy treats. I love these. Hey, why are you looking at me like that, huh? Come on, Monica, your turn. Well, I'm just glad. Where's my blindfold? Let me put it on. First, I need to center myself. What is she doing? All right, one accurate hit. Let's go. Ouch, that hurts. All right, take that, you little horse. That's it. It's it for you now. Hooray! And my reward is a bunch of yummy treats. I love this. Yummy. Wow, good job, Monica. I'm gonna pour it all out to the very end. Oh yeah. Whoa! Monica, your teeth! They look like rainbows. Well, Wendy, you're the only one left. First of all, I need to put on my blindfold. Okay, I'm ready. Now… Take that! And that! Yeah! Wow! It's a whole sea of delicious candy. It's just like I'm swimming in Skittles. Yummy. Hey, Wendy, we need to have a serious talk. Whoa, she has so many more Skittles. There's enough for everyone here. Whoopee! This is a great challenge.
You know what? I'm looking forward to this. Oh no, I take my words back. This cactus just changed everything.
You really shouldn't touch it.
Yes! I'll just have to remove the danger then. Here I go.
Watch where you're tossing those. Ouch. Owie.
All done. Now I'm not afraid to sink my teeth into this in the slightest. Ew.
What is that? That cactus is nightmare-sized.
And it's all yours.
This is terrifying.
No, don't do it.
Why did you do that?
I wanted to save you and ended up getting covered in spikes.
Wow.
Hubba Bubba, my favorite.
Oh my.
And it's got a filling to it. I'm ready to dig in now. Look at what I can do, Zach.
Not too shabby, but I wonder if you'll be able to blow bubbles with gum that contains a surprise. I'll just leave this here.
This is so yummy. More, please. Oh, what's this? My tooth?
She fell for it. Whoa, now that's big. Get your hands back.
Rude.
I'm not really sure how to fit all this in my mouth. Might as well start.
I'm so jealous.
Oh man, I can't get this last bit in. Oh no, it's all stuck. Help me!
Ugh, this is so gross.
Come on, pull harder.
I'm trying. A massive pack of Mentos? Lucky me.
Oh no!
And where's mine?
Huh?
That's it?
Oh no!
This is minuscule.
No.
Well, doesn't mean I can't enjoy it, right?
I think I'll begin as well. Whoa, it's raining candies.
Wow.
Zach, don't even glance in my direction, mister. I'm going to join all of them into one big piece. Now to color it with watermelon stripes. Oh, Zach, this is for you. I'll just get ready for the bang. Oops.
What's happening?
It worked! So much fizz. This is pretty awesome, don't you think? A Kit Kat, just what I need.
What, I don't get any?
Hey.
What, I don't get any? I sure can't find any candy.
Oh.
Break me off a piece. Pretty please.
You're so cute, Zach. I can't tell you no. All right, we can go halvesies.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
You have to agree, it's great.
You got that right.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, for me? Cool.
It's amazing. Zach, you're gonna share with me, right?
Of course not. All this chocolatey goodness is mine.
Oh.
We'll see about that. Incoming!
What are you doing? You're killing it.
You should have paid it forward. This is your own fault.
Oh my
You destroyed it. But it's still delicious.
Oh.
Whoa!
Milk and a gingerbread man. Sweet. Smells like ginger and cinnamon.
Eat it already.
It's perfectly crumbly. Okay, that's it. I'm ready for Christmas.
And here's my gingerbread man. Hello, gorgeous. Ready to go for a swim? I'm afraid even this glass is too small for dipping you in. But worry not, that won't stop me. It's a milk tsunami.
No!
Too late, Zach. Sorry, wrong place at the wrong time.
That doesn't make me feel any better.
Me, I'm happy as a clam. The cookie soaked up plenty of milk in the process.
Skittles are falling right out of the sky.
Wow!
Keep the good times rolling, I say.
I love these candies. They're so colorful. Now I'm up.
Oh my gosh!
Scooch over, Zach. Can you believe how enormous this bag of Skittles is? I think I'm gonna need a ladder to get my sweets. Wow, I'm inside. It's like a giant pull of Skittles. Awesome.
Make room. I'm coming in too. Bombs away! This is crazy cool.
Tell me it ain't so. I want a whole lot more pizza than this. This won't fill up anyone.
I wouldn't mind eating that.
Sorry, but there isn't any left.
Oh.
That's fine. I've got something a lot better.
I should have known you'd get the better serving.
I'm so pumped. I'm gonna roll it up first.
Ow, that hurt.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
You just about knocked off my head. And for that, I demand some pizza. I think I ripped it. Though maybe that's for the best.
You're right. Enough for everyone. 3, 2, 1, begin. The sizes have been handed out. Yes, finally. And he got saddled with the tiny portion. And
I hit the friggin' jackpot. I'm so happy. What the heck? This is so not my day. Well then, my sweet, come here. So good. I'm on cloud 9. Hold that thought. How about I add a surprise to your sweets? One for Lily. So much candy. Chocolate is life. And for Mary, too. Oh, what's going on? What's so bitter? Oh, this is unbearable. And so hard. They've gone bad? Don't touch them. They're poisonous. I'll risk it. Thanks. Moving along. Minnie for Lily, Maxie for Andy, and somewhere in between for me. Wowza. Lucky us, right, Andy? Yum! Yeah, and I'm gonna starve over here. I'm gonna be so stuffed. Who's complaining, though? I'm salting nothing but bone. Prim and proper. Yummy! So delicious. Attack! Oh, Andy's inner beast emerged. Ew. Oh yeah, meat. What the heck? Oh my God, he's scaring me. I'm terrified. Girls, I am super full. Too bad, Andy. You have to finish it all. My predator instincts are fading. That's it. I'm turning into a herbivore. Borrowing. I don't think I'll eat meat again. Not today, at least. I think you fully turned into an animal, Andy. On your marks, get set, go. Or more like medium, small, and large. Yes! Again, I'm on top. All the best and biggest is mine. Andy, I think the real winner is me. But you enjoy your olive mountain, okay? I'll go quick. Maybe I won't even taste it. Nope, I did. Yuck. Apparently green olives aren't very tasty. All right. I got a plan. Lily is looking at a refilling plate. Yeah, Mary was right. These things are so not for me. Oh, when are they gonna end? And another one. My portion feels never ending. Jeez. I saw that. Now I get the problem. Here, a gift for you. I hope you enjoy, Andy. Tough break, but you have to pay for your actions. Hurry up, man. We don't have all day here. Oh, man. Now they're even more than I started with. Why do I prank people? Chew, chew, chew. More, more, more. An epic last round is upon us. Andy is looking at small, big for Mary, and your average serving for Lily. The battle of the bellies continues. Oh man. I love chewing gum, but I have so little that I don't know. Well, I don't really want mine. Here. Oh wow, thanks, Lily. No problem. That's more like it. You know what, Andy? I want you to have mine too. Really? Yeah. I love it! Girls, thank you so much. This is a great finish. Watch this, guys. Mary? You ready? Lil, I was born ready. Now, quick! Amazing! Andy, if you had seen your face. I forgot I should always be on my guard with you two. Give me 5, girl.